Hi, I'm Jessica Skarzinski for Heal Magazine, your guide to living well after cancer. Here's what's inside our fall 2019 issue. Our cover story explores the secret side effect of survivorship, survivor's guilt. You'll hear from two survivors who have experienced this burden and how they lighten their load following life after cancer. Next, following 2 bouts with breast cancer, one woman learned she had metastatic disease, but she refused to let cancer win. Learn how she turned fear into an inspiring one-woman show from drawing on the power within. And we asked Heal readers, what is the most important lesson cancer has taught you? The answers, well, they might just help you as you navigate cancer. Advice from people like you can be found within these pages. To read these stories and more, visit curetoday.com/publications and click on the latest Heal cover, or ensure you don't miss a story when you subscribe to new issue alerts. Visit curetoday.com/email-profile for more information. And as always, thanks for reading.